What's up everyone here? It's Joshua, the young farmer, and I'm here once again with another video. And well, it's a beautiful evening where I'm doing a video, but today it's not really about good farming, no, but it's something close to that. So I considered if I want really to start a beautiful place, beautiful videos and take quality videos, I think I need to have a few equipments which will aid me with that. So with me today, so I went online, did a few research, and chose a few things. Well, I got one thing here. It's from Jumia. It's a simple tripod stand, and I bought it so that you know, I can use it to record instead of holding my phone or placing my phone far away. I can use a good tripod stand. So for today, our video will be about unboxing this beautiful. It's a tripod, a simple tripod, and hope you enjoy. Subscribe and comment below, and follow and comment and subscribe and put a like for me. Thank you. Love you all. So yeah, first it's from Jumia, as you can see. It's labeled fragile, and for the instruction, it's what uh, description. It's labeled a flexible tripod stand. So first of all, we'll remove this. This the labeling that we had. Because, yeah, I'm at the goat shed, by the way. I love this place. It's beautiful, it's peaceful, and it's all that. Now, the next I'll consider removing these staples. I'll just tear it up. I think it's of no use. The best way I love ordering things at Jumia is because they give you the trial period, like the 15 days trial period, and that's a very good thing. And they have most of the goods, most electronics have the what do I call it? The warranty. Maybe for good electronics, you'll have a longer period. For smaller equipment, you'll have a shorter period. It's a good thing. I love Jumia about it. So here, in here, you just have a tripod, nothing else, just empty. It's cheap, very cheap indeed. That's why I think they don't have a lot of things. Now, here is what we have: a simple tripod. Uh, uh, just the labeling, nothing much. I hope all you can see that. Now, it's well stuck with what polythene paper. I think it's to avoid damages. And then I'll go ahead and tear this up. First of all, we have this sellotape that is used. I don't have any scissors with me. I didn't think about it, so I just tear it up using my hands. What's the worst thing that can happen, yeah? I'll consider using some scissors next time, but for now, use what I have. This may take a while. Bear with me. Hope I won't damage anything. Well, and hope this won't that worked like magic. Thank you. And here, well, here's the stand. Here we go. It's a tripod, as you can see. It's together like that. Together like that, then you can make it go all around and place it right there. Say right there on my lap. Yeah, here we have it. The next different thing we have here, it's this. Now, this is exactly where you place your phone. It has different, you know, you can expand it to according to the size of your phone. It's beautiful. And now I have to let me join the two. It has a small joint right here, and there you make it move to the desired, you know, the desired angle, then you can fix here, right here. New things, but I have some skill right there. Let's see. Okay, this is proving to be quite tough. No, I think I've fixed it the best way I can. Yeah, yeah, she is. Come. I didn't notice her coming out, but there. Yeah, mm, uh, my my beloved. Mm. Here we have the tripod. So the best thing about this, why I chose it, is because when you're alone or maybe you're away and you need a video on a hard surface, you have just to the stands right here are flexible. You see, they are flexible. You just have to, according now, say you have an angle that you want to attach it to. It's easy to attach it to a place. It's a beautiful design here. I love it. No, I know this will help me very much with my work here at the farm. Oh, a little technical error about there. So winding up on the tripod, it will be of good help. I love it already. I'll use it. I've tried it. Just after the small break moment, and well, thank you. So lastly but not least, thank you all guys for watching my second video here. Well, I hope I improve more, I get more equipment, more goats. I love goats. Well, they're simple, they're beautiful, they're good. Thank you for watching everyone, and consider subscribing and stop closing the door. Consider subscribing and putting a like down below and commenting anything you want me to feature, anything you want me to do in my videos. I will. You're my fans. Thanks for watching, and bye. Love you all.